Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw a Godzilla silhouette. It's going to be very cool, and it's going to be some fun designing, and it's going to be simple, okay? Completely for beginners. Anyone can do this. So let's get started. It's only going to take about, I don't know, 5 to 10 minutes, 5 to 8 minutes really, real fast. All right, stay to the very end, and then you're going to get all the learning from it. So silhouette, a little bit different than normal. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to kind of draw a curve right there for kind of the top of Godzilla's head. Draw a bump over here, kind of for the brow area, right above the eye. Line out here for top of the mouth. Downward there for, front of his mouth. And then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw zigzags right here for the kind of teeth. Godzilla doesn't have a gigantic mouth in proportion to the rest of, him. Gonna go right here. Zigzag the lower teeth, pull down, curve down over here, pull back up, down over here, zigzag over here, down his back, and I'm gonna go right here and I'm gonna start throwing a spike, maybe 2 spikes, right? It gets a little bit bigger. Think of them like little islands, like a collection, right? Like a collection of spikes there. So they're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here, just kind of, and it kind of starts to shrink back down again. We're just doing this part. Then I'm gonna go over here, go out, down, curve for the kind of the shoulder area. Line down here, kind of the crick of the elbow, pulling up, right, for his hand grabbing forward. That's a big thing. Line, going over here, curve for 1 spike, right? And you know what spikes? I'm sorry, I messed that up. Line over here, in. So he's moving forward, okay? And if you want to move forward in your drawings, don't forget to hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. I'm sorry, I had to do that transition forward. If you want to move forward, absolutely. I post 3 beginner drawing lessons every day, and it's on different topics: Godzilla, dinosaurs, Sonic, Among Us, any cartoon ever, pretty much. That you're gonna find it in the playlist section. So absolutely hit the subscribe, and I post 3 times every day. Everything. There's only learning. There's only pluses. It's gonna show up on your feed, and you can be like, oh, should I watch it today? Okay. So that's kind of the way to do it. That's the vibe, So there's no downside. If my work is worth your time, please consider subscribing and clicking that bell notification. Curve it underneath. And we're going to kind of go down now. But instead of having Godzilla end in nothing, we're going to do something a little cool. We're going to make right here, check this out. Line over here, down. It's just a square. A line over here. Then I'm going to pull up, in a little bit. Curve for a circle, pull up for a point, another curve, stair step down. It's gonna be like buildings. Line over here, and you can design any building you want. I'm just kind of more or less doing this from my mind. Out over here, up, down, out over here. Maybe I don't know, like a skinnier building, like some skinny thing on top. It's just literally simple blocks. And down there. See how it connects right there? Now what I'm gonna do is gonna be something that's gonna kill my marker. Well, am I gonna kill my marker? Yeah, I think I'm gonna kill my marker doing this, but I'll talk to you throughout these. I'm gonna have to fill this in. I think I might do a, oh boy, I didn't think this through. Let's see, I don't know if I'm gonna fill it out with that marker or this one. Nope, it's not dark enough. Okay, I'm gonna do this one, but please hit that like button, because I am going to kill my marker here for you guys. Don't forget to turn on like a fan or something inside, because you don't want to inhale this stuff. It's not good for you. So while I'm filling in this entire gigantic shape, hopefully you learned something. Hopefully you had a good time. Like I said, I'm taking requests on drawings. Okay, stick around so you can see this whole thing filled in. Or I guess you can fast forward, but you're not gonna hear what I have to say, which can be entertaining. I went to Comic-Con this last week and I thought it was amazing. I'm very, very happy that I went. And what really did was it really inspired me to do stuff. And so what I want to do is I want to create a sticker store connected to this YouTube channel. I don't know when I'm going to have time to do it, but I'm going to make time to create stickers. If you have any sticker ideas, let me know. One of my sticker ideas was going to be Godzilla related and that it would be art related as well. But that remains to be seen. So just, you know, I will, but I'm just gonna say it because I want to bring it into the universe, right? I want to make everybody happy with it. So that's kind of been my plan thus far. Going over here, just kind of filling that in. But something I also saw at Comic-Con was a lot of action figures, and I don't know if I talked about it on this channel, but I'm obsessed with dinosaur figures and Godzilla figures. I am like obsessed. I've spent way too much money on it, and but they are all for the channel. Really, I use them for reference for the channel. It's fun. I think it's educational, and I think people get a kick out of it when I do that. If you want to learn more about like monster drawing and stuff like that, there's two places you can go outside of this channel. Number one, you can go to my other channel. It's Easy Things to Draw. Or two, you can go to Halloween Drawings. It's another YouTube drawing channel that is seasonal. I was updating it the entire year this time just to kind of try it out. I will probably not update it after this next Halloween though. I thought not enough people were watching it, but you know, those months are coming soon where people are gonna really look out for it. Let's see, boom, boom, boom. Put it over here. But yeah, absolutely. I'd love to kind of hear your guys' thoughts on like what kind of stickers you want or what kind of stickers you like. Because yeah, I think they're fun. I didn't know people even like stickers, but I mean, I buy tons of stickers to stick in my water bottle. Man, we're like, what are we? 50% through? Oh man. Oof, it's starting to smell bad. Turn that fan on. What else? Well, like I said, if there's anything that you want to see in this channel that you don't see represented, or you're kind of like, hey, where is that? Ask me. Like, that's the cool part. The cool part is you can ask me and I will totally do it. Like 90% of the time I will absolutely make it happen for you guys. The other thing I saw at Comic-Con, I bought a lot of stuff at Comic-Con, by the way. San Diego Comic-Con, I went, I've been going to San Diego Comic-Con since I was 12 years old. Every single year I've gone. So I've gone a lot. And it's probably one of the last things that really connects me to being a kid. And I was very, very excited to go again. Okay, hold on. Almost there. Almost there. Pretty close. I hope this gets a decent amount of likes or views, because this is very, very hard on my marker, and kind of on my hand, honestly, right now. It's kind of like cramping my hand a little bit. All right. There we go. Finished silhouette. Oof. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. You guys are amazing. Please share this video, support the channel. I'm at 175,000. I want to hit 200,000 by the end of the year, and I will see you next time, okay? See you later. Ciao. For skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and it kind of, I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now. Another short video.